Vivo launched its new affordable 5G phone under Y series in India called Vivo Y29, with dynamic light feature. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y29 5G features a tall 6.68-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y29 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the VGA sensor, with f3.0 aperture. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.75 by 76.1 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 198 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y29 5G has been priced in India as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in diamond black, glacier blue, and titanium gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y29 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.